Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. So today we are going to solve a medium lead code problem. So let me share my screen. Okay, so the problem is 178 rank scores, which is marked as medium problem. So let's see what the problem is. Here we have a table called scores, and in that table we have a column names ID and score. ID is an integer, score is a decimal column. Then we have ID is the primary key. So what does a primary key mean? It will have all the unique values, which means there won't be any duplicates, and also it will not have null values. So ID is the primary key for this table. And also each row of this table contains a score of a game. So score is a floating point value with 2 decimal places. Okay. So write a solution to find the rank of scores. The ranking should be calculated according to the following rules. So there are some rules in which the rank is calculated. The score should be ranked from the highest to lowest. Okay. So first thing is your high to low, and you call it as descending order. If there is a tie between two scores, both should have the same ranking. Okay. After a tie, the next ranking number should be the next consecutive integer value. In other words, there should be no holes between the ranks. Result the table ordered by score in descending order. The result is as following. Okay, so here input tables scores, you have ID, 1 has 3.5, 2 has 3.6, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay. And in the output, the highest number is 4.0, 4.0. So 2 times 4 has come, the rank is 1 and 1. So second is 3.85, which is coming as second rank. Third is 3.65, which is coming as third one, 3.654. Okay, so as soon as I see this problem, I will immediately think of a window function. Okay, so you might ask me, how do you think of window function? Like, let's say if I'm a beginner and I see this kind of problem, like how do I know? If you see clearly, they are telling you to do a ranking from highest to lowest. So the question itself says you have to rank. Okay, so the thing that comes to my mind is you have to use a window function. Okay, they are saying that if there is a tie between two scores, both should have same ranking. Okay, so let's say if both of them has a tie, like if you see here 4 and 4, both of them should have same rank, so 1 and 1, and next one should be 2, and they clearly told that there should not be any holes between ranks. So if there is no holes between rank, which means we have to use a dense rank function. Okay, because dense rank doesn't have any holes. So if you know the concept of dense rank, then you'll definitely understand this. So let me quickly tell you what dense rank does. Okay, so if you have like number 100, 90, 90, 80, 80, 80, and 70. Okay, so you have something like this. So if you're trying to order them based on descending and give the dense rank, so for 100 it will give rank 1. For 90 it will give 2. For the second 90 also it will give 2. And for this 80 it will give 3. Whereas in rank it will give 4. Okay, so but dense rank will give 3, which means dense rank will not have any holes. So this also will get 3, this also will get 3, next one will get 4. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm using a dense rank here. Okay, so let's see how to code this one. Okay, so let's write the code. Select. So first column is score column, comma, then we'll put a dense underscore rank of over. Here we are not using any partition because we just want the numbers as it is. So we don't want any partition here. So order by score descending. So first I have to sort all the scores in descending order, then only I should give the rank. So first the order by clause will be executed. It will sort all the scores in descending order, then it will put a dense rank as rank from table name is scores. So rank is already a keyword. Okay, so we cannot use keywords in SQL. So I'll put this in quotes. So let me run this and show you what will happen. Okay, so it is telling that this got accepted. And here you see for 4 the rank is 1, 4 the rank is 1, 3.85, 2, 3, 3 and 4. So this is exactly what we want. And click on submit. This code will be submitted. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Please subscribe so that we can solve more lead code problems together. And if you have any questions, please do comment. And thanks for watching. Bye.